Hello everybody and welcome to another video and welcome to CHENGDU. And today I was going to show you guys how to get to the Leshan Buddha, which is the largest stone Buddha in the world and a popular tourist destination here in Sichuan province. I was going to take the fast train there, which is about 45 minutes. Costs about 51 kwai, which is a little over $7 US. So let's go check it out. Welcome to the CHENGDU South Railway Station. I just took the metro here. If you're curious about the metro here in CHENGDU, check out my CHENGDU subway video above. But it cost me 3 kwai. I took the metro from downtown to get here. And I just purchased my ticket over here, which was 51 kwai, which is a little over $7 US.
到站时间是9点49分，有在梅山东站下车的旅客，请提前做好下车准备。Dear passengers, the train will arrive at Meishandong Station.
Welcome to Leshan. I just got off the high-speed train and I was going to take a bus out to the Buddha. You can take a local bus, bus 3 or 605 according to the internet, so I was going to check that out. And there's also a lot of private buses as well, but they're probably more expensive. So I made it. I ended up taking the city bus number 3. Once you get off at the train station, there's a bus station right there. And you just go inside, you don't have to buy a ticket or anything, just pay 1 kwai. And it took about 45 minutes to get here, but there's some flooding going on, so there's a lot of extra traffic because of that. So normally it shouldn't take so long. I've been in CHENGDU for 10 days and it's been raining like crazy there. And Leshan isn't that far from CHENGDU, so it's been raining here as well. And the downtown is flooded. As you can see, the rivers are flooded. The Buddha is the confluence of 2 rivers, the Min behind me and the Dadu just up ahead. But they closed the Buddha down for safety reasons. And there's also boats that go up and down the river, so you can get a river view of the Buddha, but those aren't operating either. My tray is so close. It's just around that bend right there, but I can't get to it, unfortunately. So all of these Buddhas and Bodhisattvas are from the Tang Dynasty, 1200 years old, although they're highly eroded. And I would have preferred to see a 71 meter tall Maitreya, but still they're amazing. So that's it everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed the journey from CHENGDU to the giant Buddha. It cost me 3 kwai from the subway downtown in CHENGDU to the South Railway Station. It cost me 51 kwai for the fast train to get here. And then 1 kwai for bus number 3, city bus number 3 to get here. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time.